Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to remove your bio on Facebook. Maybe you want to remove your bio on Facebook because you don't want it anymore. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can remove your bio on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And what you'll need to do is go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. Once you are in your profile page, below your name you'll see your bio. To remove your bio, simply tap on this bio. And then there will be an option that will pop up. You will see in here edit bio and then remove. To remove your bio, simply tap on this remove. And then you need to wait and refresh your profile page. As you can see, your bio is removed. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to remove your bio on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can remove your bio on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.